In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Iranian favorite street-style food, Bandari sausage. Thinly slice the onion. Slice the sausages diagonally or into round pieces. Dice the bell pepper. Add a small amount of oil to a pan and place it over medium heat until hot. Pan fry the sausages separately until the color is changed, then set them aside. In another pan, sauté the sliced onions until golden. Add the diced bell pepper and cook for a few minutes. Add the spices. Stir in the tomato paste and fry it briefly. Pour in a small amount of water and let everything simmer. Finally, add the fried sausages to the mix. You can serve it with bread, pickles, tomatoes, and fresh vegetables. نوش جان.